Hey friends, it's Sonia with Junk Monkey Paint Company, and I got out today to do a little retail therapy. It's been a long time since I went in and just had a good browse of the Dollar General. I have one in my local area. Do you guys? And I know I haven't seen the stuff that they have in there, so I thought if I went there today, maybe I'd find some cool things just to decorate with, you know, maybe some fall stuff, some cute stuff. I don't know. Well, I did find stuff. In fact, found a couple bags of stuff. Oh yeah. So here is, I filmed so you guys could pick with me along the way. Maybe you will see something that you like. Maybe you'll see something that I picked up and you're like, oh yeah, I totally need that too. That's cool. So here's my shopping trip. Yeah, a little retail fun. So it was fun to get out today and to just kind of look around. I really enjoy putting my home together on a budget. So if you can curate some thrift stuff, you know, some junk stuff that you found, painted stuff, and maybe you find a few nice little pieces like this to intermingle with it. Oh yeah. I love this sign. It was $6 and it looks like that black stained wood on the background. I love the font that was used on here for Life is Beautiful. I am all about positivity and life is beautiful. So I love this sign, cream. I think it'll be nice. I might put it on my gallery wall, but I will find a place for it. I also like the fact that it's pretty light. So when you're hanging it, you know, it's not a bulky thing that's gonna fall off your wall. So it should be pretty light to hang up. I also took one each of these. I love the flowers in the mason jar, and also this was like really cool, like, I don't know, I love all the colors in here, the butterflies and that flower design down here. These are pot holders, and you can never have too many pot holders. I have a drawer devoted to the pot holders that I find, and when we do like potlucks for supper, we have a bunch of variety of sides on the table. I like to be able to pull these out and just put, like, you know, the hot skillet right onto it. So yeah, I got me some pot holders, and they're super cute. Oh, the last thing in this bag here is some slippers, and a hot pink and cute. I saw these, they have rubber soles on them, so that's important to me, for $5. And I'm like, oh yeah, these are awesome. I'm usually in my bare feet. Like, I'm not somebody who tends to wear shoes. Do you wear something on your feet around the house? I'm a barefoot kind of person, but I do enjoy some fuzzy slippers. So I thought these were super cute. What a sweet gift to even give to somebody. The pink, love the pink. All right, so the slippers came in the same aisle as when I got this. Oh my gosh, guys. I love me some robes, all right, and furry robes. Oh yes, there's nothing better than getting up, putting your robe on, and then just relaxing and sitting with a coffee. This one has a hood. Oh, it's gonna be so wonderful. Let me untie this. Matt comes downstairs and sees me wearing this. Oh yeah. Look, oh my gosh, is that not sweet? Look at this. Oh, so sweet. I forget what it says in the back, something cute. So, oh yeah, this is just so adorable. This is me. This is me watching YouTube, watching my Netflix, and having my coffee. I loved it. Let me remind myself. It comes like right to my knees right here. I love that though. Love it. So it's not like to the floor one, but it's perfect. It says not today. You guys see that? Not today. Nope. Ugh. So this one was 15 bucks, and total $15 of luxury. Me and that and my fuzzy slippers. All right, since we're still on the clothing thing, this is the other second piece in this bag here, and that is I found myself a sweet little fall plaid shirt. All right, this is from the line Bobby Brooks, which they do have a lot of cute stuff. I'm trying to remember the tag, what it was. Was it 15? What was it? This one here, oh, it was 10, even better, $10. They also had red and blue, and I couldn't find the size for me. They only had like large sizes. This one is a medium, but yeah, so hopefully if you like the plaid shirts, you can find it in your right size. Although I was half tempted to get a large one, because, or even just going with something that's oversized than I typically get, because I'm somebody that loves layers. Anybody else? Are you a layer girl? So like if I wore a shirt like this, I would just put my plaid shirt over the top of it. And it's not because I'm trying to button up or close it up. Oh my gosh. Boy, I couldn't have planned that better. Look, my wrap. Look how cute that is, right? Like, is that not sweet? And you could tie it right here if you wanted to. I do love that. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. Okay guys, I gotta go. I'm going back for the red and blue one, all right? I'm gonna go back for the red and blue one. This is medium, but I'm gonna go back for the red and blue one. All right, I gotta go because there was like maybe 2 or 3 left on the shelf there. All right, in the clothing section, I also got this because, again, I'm a layers girl. Again, tell me if you are a layers kind of girl. I love me some layers. Can't get over how much I love this shirt. Wow. I love color, but this colorful plaid, oh, so pretty. So this is, what would you call it, like a cardigan? Let's see here. This one's a size medium. I paid $20 for it, and I love it because it's fall, but I would wear it anytime. It's got these big pockets on the side here, and it's one of those pieces that, oh man, you can dress it up, wear it with jeans, wear it with, you know, your favorite boots, whatever you want, sneakers, it doesn't really make a difference. I just think, you know, it's cozy. You can put some necklaces on with it and really change it into something for like when you're going out to eat. Oh yeah, make it all jazzed up. What do you think? A little hot in here, Matt.
It is very
I got
hot.
3 layers on at this point. Oh, I do like this though. You like that? Now, obviously, I don't think I'd wear it with this, although you probably could. What do you guys think? Yeah, yeah. Shopping haul at the Dollar General. Where does your wife shop? Oh, dollar stores. Look at that though. And they also had it was like between a white and a cream colored. So just letting you know, because that will go with a lot of different things. But anyway, that's gonna be my new fall piece. All right, so this here is something I got from the candle section because yeah, I like my house to smell good. Sometimes I burn candles, I tell you guys, but I have to make sure that like if company's coming over and I'm in an area where they're going to be and I'm going to stay. But otherwise, I love the house to smell good, but I tend to put my candles into my candle warmer. So when I put these into my candle warmer, of course, my wick's gonna go to the bottom and then I'll enjoy the smell and not have to worry about did I get in bed or did I leave the candle on, because I cannot stand going, did I blow that out? I will convince myself that I gotta get out of bed and check it, right? Salted caramel is one of my favorite scents ever. I'm into the fresh scents, but I'm also into the sweet, like dessert stuff that you can smell and you would only wish that it was sitting in front of you on a plate so that you could eat it because it smells so good. These are very, very, what's the word, pungent. These are very, very rich in scent. And it says it's a soy blend scented candle, and I paid $5, I do believe, for these. I'm pretty sure they were $5. You could probably just remember what they were in the video a little bit ago, but I had to get not one, but two, because I'm telling you, this is the scent that I'm going to be burning in my house. So if you wonder what my house smells like, go get these, and then be like, okay, smells good, smells good. All right, and the last thing I got, I think this was the last thing, was just something functional, all right? I've been using a box in my office for like a waste paper basket, and this was there. I think they were $5. I kind of liked how, it's just gray, but I liked how it looked like it was just wicker, or you know, it was like textured. So I got one of these for my office. Yay me. Anybody else get really excited? Oh, itchy nose. Anybody else get really excited when you buy a $5 waste paper basket? Because it's something new. And like I said, you bring one thing into your space and the next thing you know, you're cleaning your entire desk, you're cleaning the entire room, because it does motivate you when you bring something fresh into it. Yes, that's what it's called. It's a weave texture. This one's called the weave texture. Love it. Actually, if it was in brown, that's cool too. But I like the gray. I like the gray. All right, so that is my Dollar General shopping haul. I hope you guys had fun browsing with me today. Maybe you saw something that I hauled home that you're like, yep, I'm gonna need that too. I'm gonna tell you, this shirt, that cardigan, all this, I don't know. I love it all. I love it all. I'm just gonna put it all on. I can't wait to put this on. Yes. Oh, my life is beautiful sign. I gotta go find a place for that right now. And maybe tomorrow on the vlog, I'll show you where I put it. By the way, this piece that we did together, this is how it's looking right now. Remember this piece? We put it into place. Well, as you can see, I gathered up a few more things and put on it, and they're all thrifted finds or discounted finds. But I love how this is coming together. So every day I just keep doing something. So bit by bit, this place is going from house to home. Cozy, cozy home. All right, see you guys again tomorrow. Go bananas and do something that makes you happy. Something that floats your boat. See you tomorrow. Bye.